We've all seen the videos, heard the stories, and most likely have experienced our own casualties from the shipping process. How do we protect the hours of work we've invested and ensure our pottery pieces arrive without damage? I've shipped hundreds of my pieces all over the world and haven't had a piece damaged in years. I'll share with you my boxing method, give you cost-saving strategies, and some shipping tips that maximize the protection of your pottery. I start with bubble wrap. This is actually the most expensive aspect of packing for me, but it's great insurance that eliminates chipping and other damage. Use a box that will allow for 1 to 2 inches of space around your piece. I'm using boxes provided by the U.S. Postal Service. I'll tell you how to get them free in a moment. Fill the bottom with soft material, then place your piece on top. Fill the rest of the space with newspaper or other like material. I'm using recycled bags from the grocery store. This provides a shock bumper for the piece, much like a protective shell inside a race car.
Yep, I'm flying through the air. This is not good.
Just a single strip of tape on top will do. Give it a shake to make sure there's no movement inside. Take a larger box and line the bottom with a cushioning layer of fill. Then place the smaller box inside the larger one. Fill in the spaces around the smaller box. We're using some styrofoam, but you can use newspaper or cardboard. You just need to make sure the internal box is snug but not too tight against the material. You want to be sure there is an opportunity for the outer shell to absorb shock. This newspaper will provide a nice cushion for the top. Close up the box and tape up all the gaps to prevent moisture damage and the chance that an open edge will rip the box. We tested our packing, much to Molly's dismay, and unpacked the box to show how safe the piece was inside. Now here's the cool thing about the boxes I use. They're free. The USPS provides these boxes at no charge, and they'll even deliver these right to your door. Just go to the USPS.com site and check out the postal store. Just under the Cremated Animals Remains kit, you'll find various boxes available. I use the number 7 and the number 4 box. Another way to save costs is on packing materials. As I mentioned, I recommend you buy the bubble wrap, but you can find very effective packing materials that are free. For instance, in our neighborhood, Wednesday is Recycle Day. We gather up newspapers, cardboard, and styrofoam that we can use. We also reuse our junk mail, real estate books, old phone books, and materials used in items shipped to us. I do charge my customers a small packing materials fee that offsets the bubble wrap cost, and I've never had a customer complain or lost a sale because of it. Finally, a tip for those shipping to areas outside the United States. I once shipped a piece to Scotland, and their service withheld the package from the customer until they paid a $25 ransom. Be aware of additional tariffs and taxes that may affect delivery. Also, be prepared to fill out a USPS Customs Declaration and Dispatch Note. Just fill it out before you take your packages to the post office so you don't anger people in line behind you. Finally, don't bother writing fragile on your box. I was told by a postal insider that they don't treat a fragile box any differently. In fact, it probably just irritates them. I hope this video has helped you understand how to maximize the chances your pottery will arrive safely and save you a few dollars too. If you like our videos, please share, like, and subscribe. I'll see you next time in the studio.